Let's query the database. Let's query the database. Use this when starting to retrieve data from a database. The query returned the results. The query returned the results. Use this after running an SQL query successfully. I need to filter the data. I need to filter the data. Use this when selecting only the required records. Let's sort the results by date. Let's sort the results by date. Use this when organizing query results chronologically. The table contains customer data. The table contains customer data. Use this when describing a database table. I'll join these two tables. I'll join these two tables. Use this when combining data from multiple tables. This column contains unique values. This column contains unique values. Use this when explaining the contents of a column. The data has been updated successfully. The data has been updated successfully. Use this after modifying records in the database. I found missing values. I found missing values. Use this when identifying incomplete data. Let's remove duplicate records. Let's remove duplicate records. Use this when cleaning the dataset. The database is up to date. The database is up to date. Use this after confirming the latest data is available. I'll create a new report. I'll create a new report. Use this when preparing a report from database results. The query is running faster now. The query is running faster now. Use this after improving query performance. We need to validate the data. We need to validate the data. Use this before using the data for analysis. This dataset looks complete. This dataset looks complete. Use this after reviewing the available data. Let's check the data quality. Let's check the data quality. Use this when reviewing data for accuracy and consistency. The results match our expectations. The results match our expectations. Use this when the output is correct and reliable. I'll export the data to Excel. I'll export the data to Excel. Use this when saving query results for further analysis. Please review the query. Please review the query. Use this when asking a colleague to check your SQL code. We identified an issue in the data. We identified an issue in the data. Use this when discussing a data quality problem. The database connection is working. The database connection is working. Use this when confirming access to the database. I'll optimize the SQL query. I'll optimize the SQL query. Use this when improving query efficiency. The analysis is based on reliable data. The analysis is based on reliable data. Use this when presenting trustworthy findings. Let's generate the final report. Let's generate the final report. Use this when preparing the completed report. Thank you for reviewing the database report. Thank you for reviewing the database report. Use this after someone has checked your database work.